This is the fellow Stovetop kettle. Just filled it up. And I'm gonna see how it works. This is really easy to hold, and it has this temperature gauge here to see when it reaches your requested temperature. It has these gaps here that let the steam out so it doesn't, there's no like accidents or anything. And let's wait for the water to boil. Started heating up pretty quickly. I don't have a lot of water in there because I'm just making my own little tiny coffee, but it's really quickly to warm up, as you can tell. As for the sound, you can hear a little bit of water in there moving around, but it's not loud. There's no like whistling sound or anything. It's easy to hold, but after a while, if the stovetop is really hot and big flame, this might be a little warm. So this area here is quite warm to the touch. It's almost boiling when it reaches this red area here. So I'm gonna take it off the heat. I'm pouring it over my Vietnamese coffee maker. So a little bit just to help the saturation of the coffee grains with the boiling water until I see the first trickle, and then I can fill it up all the way. All right, some really nice kettle to have. It's beautifully designed and it's beautiful pour over spout. Really do recommend it. Only thing is that if you're not in the room, you're not gonna hear that it's boiling, so keep that in mind. And this handle can get warm around here. That's it. I give it a thumbs up.